Gotta lurk a bit, go do some cleaning, be back in a bit. Alright, Caster G, thank you for lurking. Alright, now we're gonna scribble. Scribble, scribble, 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 scribble. Scribble, 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 scribble. Sometimes I can do it, sometimes I can't. I forget how to. Thank you very much. I'm here all day. As a matter of fact, nope, I'm here for 5 more minutes. Gotta hydrate after that. Sometimes I feel like a note, sometimes I don't, because Almond Joy's got nuts, Mounds don't. 5 Luces must be of my generation. I'm assuming 5 Luces is talking about my generation. I'm giving away my age. I don't have to give away my age. My beard gives away my age. Nope, don't do that again. Remember what happened the last time I did that. It was just a few minutes ago. Why would I fall for that again? Let's see, what have I learned? Another thing I like to do on stream is have tried to rack my brain to remember what I've learned recently on the podcast that I've been listening to. Last thing that I listened to was The Two Trees. My favorite podcasts that I listen to are The Bible Project, Bema podcast, also The Two Trees, and there's a third one. The fourth one I can't remember. For some reason I can't remember. Oh, I just started listening to Michael Heiser. I don't think that counts. I have been trying to keep up with the Bible Project's, what do they call it? They call it Classroom. They call it Classroom Series. But, you know, I I do have a full-time job. I do have other things to do than to study that classroom series. The classroom series is no joke. So the last thing I listened to was on Two Trees, and they were talking about the territorial spirits that were found in Egypt. So when God was bringing down the plagues on Egypt, he wasn't just fighting with Pharaoh. He was fighting against the gods that the Egyptians were worshiping at the time. Oh, I think it's time to raid. I think I've talked too much. There we go. There we go. That's what we've done so far. Thank you everyone for coming. It is time to raid out of here. You're welcome for the stream. Let's go to BlessingBoat. BlessingBoat. Soon we'll be making another run. The BlessingBoat. Thank you everyone for being here. My normal time for streaming is Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And until then, may the Lord be with you. Peace. Raiding out. 15 viewers, 18 viewers, 20 viewers. Ready to raid. Raiding now. Peace.